This is a Etihad Airways aircraft model. Etihad Airways is the second flag carrier of the United Arab Emirates. Its head office is in Khalifa City, Abu Dhabi, near to Abu Dhabi International Airport. Etihad commenced operations in November 2003. It is the second largest airline in the UAE after Emirates. The airline operates more than 1,000 flights per week to over 120 passenger and cargo destinations in the Middle East, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and North America, with a fleet of 102 Airbus and Boeing aircraft as of February 2020. In 2015, Etihad carried 14.8 million passengers, a 22.3% increase from the previous year, delivering revenues of $9.02 billion and net profits of $103 million. Its main base is Abu Dhabi International Airport. In addition to its core activity of passenger transportation, Etihad also operates Etihad Holidays and Etihad Cargo. Etihad established its airline alliance, Etihad Airways Partners, in October 2015, which was disbanded in 2018 after several of its members fell into financial difficulties. Etihad Airways holds minority equity investments in the participating airlines, as well as holding a stake in Virgin Australia, which is not officially listed as an Etihad Airways partner. Booking for these airlines is consolidated under one network. As of June 2019, Etihad serves 81 passenger and cargo destinations across Africa, Europe, North America, Asia, and Australia from its hub at Abu Dhabi International Airport. Until terminating the Sao Paulo service in late March 2017, Etihad Airways was one of the few carriers to have passenger services to all 6 inhabited continents. As of the end of 2020, the airline will suspend its flights to South Africa as a part of its ongoing review of network performance. Flights to this destination will be suspended until March 28, 2021. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.